Sorry. Doing my meditative state. Alright, here we go, people. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Let's get it on! No, just kidding. Alright, so, what are we doing? What do we gotta do first? What is it?
Subtract 3.
Given. Given. Alright, now we're gonna subtract 3, yeah? Because we gotta get the absolute value alone, right? That's the only thing that's changing, so we gotta get it alone. So I'm gonna subtract 3, okay? And I get 9, absolute value, 2 minus 7a, absolute value is greater than, what?
39.
40, negative 40 what?
Well, that's a negative.
Yeah, this one's negative also, right?
Oh.
So, if I owe 42 and I owe 3, I owe 45, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Then what?
You multiply, divide 9
Yes.
by 45.
Okay, and what do I get?
Isn't it 5?
Negative, right? Now, because I'm dividing a negative number, do I flip the sign?
Yeah. Yes.
No.
Why not, Paul?
It's a negative number.
Yeah, because it's a negative number being divided by a whole number, right? If we were dividing by a negative number, yes, you flip the sign. But we're not dividing by a negative, right? We're just dividing by a whole number. Okay? So as long as we're dividing by a whole number, you don't need to flip the sign. Only when you're dividing by a negative number. Does that make sense? Okay? So the sign stays the same. And that's really important. Okay? So now, we're going to go 2 directions, yeah? Oh shoot. What's our steps?
SA, DM, and...
Good. SA, because it's on 2 sides, in blue. What's the red?
DM.
You see why it's important to color code? Because now I know what goes with what. Does that make sense? So if I forget to do these steps, I can go back in and just show my steps real easy. And I can tie them up.
I do.
Alright, so green.
Why'd you pick up that one?
Okay? Green and blue. Yellow and green make blue, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright. So what's on the green side?
This, you just write the equation.
Good. Definition of?
Absolute value.
Nice job, people. Alright, then on the blue side, just write the equation.
A positive 5.
Yeah.
Then the sign
Sign's going
flips.
that way or this way?
It flips, it's going the other way.
Flips. Yes. Don't forget the sign flips. Remember on the last one. The sign flips because we multiplied by a negative, right? We're taking the negative and making it a positive. And when we do that, we flip the sign. Okay? Very important.
You know what? I'm just going to write this in a different piece.
Alright, now what? That's also a definition. Alright? Of absolute value. Okay? So, what do? Do we add 7a?
Yeah.
No.
Oh no.
It's a trick question. What do? Subtract 2. They're setting it up backwards to kind of mess with your head. You're still really adding a 2. So if you're adding 2 to the variable, you're going to do the opposite, which is subtract 2. Does that make sense, people? What if we do it to one side, I gotta... There we go. And if we do it to 2 sides, it's the SA or AS?
SA.
SA, 2 sides, SA. See? Okay, about two. SA. Okay. That gives me what? Negative 7a is greater than What's negative 5 minus 2?
Please.
Good job, negative 7. What is 5 minus 2?
3.
Good job, 3. Alright, then what?
You divide by 7.
Yeah! 3, 7, yeah. What?
You divide
by-
by 7.
By 7?
Yes.
Negative 7.
Negative
Oh.
7.
Yeah, 7.
What happens to the sign?
What? Oh,
Yes. So we're dividing by a negative sign, or negative 7, on both sides. And that is dm, by the way, yeah? We also got to remember, flip the sign. Okay? So, this is A is less than 1, right? And this one is A is greater than negative 3/7. Okay? So that's just a nasty fraction, right? And that happens a lot with these what do we call them? Absolute values. Alright, so if I go on the number line, what goes over here? What goes over here? Zero's here. So what's over here?
1.
Negative
7.
3/7. Remember, if the zero is here, this side is negative. This side is positive. So I got positive 1, right? Are they open circles or closed?
They're both open.
They're open. They're both open, okay? So we know they're open. What direction is the 1 going?
To the left.
To the left. To the left, to the left.
To the right.
To the right, to the right. Woo! Someone getting married? What's going on? Because it's all real numbers, right? Whenever we go this way at each other, towards each other, all real numbers, right? We go away from each other because that's how absolute values are. They're either going to go towards each other or away. Now when we go away, it's not going to be all real numbers. But when we go towards, we cross over each other and it becomes, whoa, whoa, all real numbers, right? But I want to see all of this. This is huge, okay? That's half your credit. That's another 0.4. So that's 90 right there. This gives you 100. Okay? Good job. How much time you got? You have 4 minutes. I can do 18 problems in 4 minutes.
You can do 18 problems in any
What?
minutes.
Do I have less than 4 minutes? Why?
I thought we were already at 55.
Are we?
Yeah.
That was 50. My bad. Oh, we got plenty of time. Let's go.
Ooh.
Love ya.
Only got 13.